Hello everyone, this is Ryan from High Desert Math Tutor, and today I want to take a moment to talk to you about factorials. So in math, this exclamation point has meaning. So that is called the factorial symbol. So right here, 5 with the exclamation point is called 5 factorial. So the factorial is a shorthand way of writing the multiplication of a bunch of different numbers. So 5 factorial, for example, is going to be 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. That is what 5 factorial actually means. It's a shorthand way of writing that we're going to multiply the biggest number by the next number down, by the next number down, by the next number down, all the way until we get to the number 1. After we translate this notation into multiplication, then we can actually multiply. So 5 times 4 is 20. 3 times 2 times 1 is 6. And then 20 times 6 is 120. So 5 factorial is equal to 120. Now, some things to notice. The number here in front of a factorial has to be a positive number, and it has to be a whole number. So it cannot be something like 2.5 factorial. That's not okay. So it has to be a positive number, has to be a whole number. And other than that, there's really no restriction on how large that number can be. So we could have, say, 8 factorial, which is going to be 8 times 7 times 6 times 5, 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And these numbers grow very, very quickly. So I'll leave this one for you to simplify. But something you should be aware of. 0 factorial is equal to 1. So that's a special rule that you need to know with factorials. And other than that, one more general way of writing factorials that you may see on tests such as the ASVAB, you may see it written as n factorial, which means you have to plug in some number here, the number n. After you multiply or write n, you're going to multiply it by the next number down, which is n minus 1. Then you're going to multiply that by the next number down. So if this was n minus 1, the next number down is n minus 2. And then the next number down is n minus 3. And we're going to do that all the way until we get down to the number 1. So just to show you what that might look like in math notation, it's going to go all the way down to the number 3, down to the number 2, to the number 1. So just as before, if n was equal to 5, then what we would have is 5 factorial. So n is 5, is going to be 5, which is n, times n minus 1 is 5 minus 1, which is 4. N minus 2 is 5 minus 2, which is 3. And we're going to keep going down all the way until we get to the number 1. So it may look intimidating, but now you know how to deal with factorials. So if you find this video helpful and you want more content, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. And if there's something you need help with, go ahead and post the question down below in the comments, and I'll make a video as soon as possible.